This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken hearts, step by step. First, ensure your chicken hearts are fresh and properly stored. Begin by rinsing them under cold water to remove any impurities. Next, carefully trim away any visible fat or tough membranes. This step is crucial for a tender and enjoyable texture. Finally, pat them very dry with paper towels, which helps achieve a nice sear later on. Now that your hearts are prepped, let's infuse them with flavor. A simple marinade can make all the difference. Whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt, black pepper, and your preferred herbs like oregano or thyme. For an extra layer of savory depth, add 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Let the hearts soak in this mixture for at least 30 minutes or even longer in the refrigerator for deeper flavor. There are several fantastic ways to cook chicken hearts. For a quick and easy option, pan-fry them in a hot skillet with a little oil for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently until browned and cooked through. Alternatively, thread them onto skewers and grill over medium-high heat, turning occasionally, until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Roasting them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes also works wonderfully. Once cooked, chicken hearts are best enjoyed fresh and hot. They pair wonderfully with a tangy dipping sauce, perhaps a garlic aioli or a spicy sriracha mayo. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives adds a lovely pop of color and herbaceous note. These versatile bites are perfect as an appetizer or a unique main course. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.